Hi guys, so today what we are going to see is about nine slicing. So nine slicing is a general thing. As a Unity developer, we need to know about nine slicing because when we are dealing with with the 2D sprites and that kind of stuff. So for that reason, we need to know about nine slicing concept. Why nine slicing? Because it helps to reusing the assets. We don't need to import and use different size of the same asset. So that's why we are using. Let's see how nine slicing works. So basically, um, I have an image. So it's actually an image I use from the Unity documentation. If you guys have any doubts, you need to get more clarification about nine slicing, you also check it out from Unity documentation also. So yeah, now I have a image. This image I previously said I download from the Unity documentation to explain the concept to you. Are new about sprites, then if you imported a new image inside the Unity editor, you need to convert it to a 2D sprite. Uh, now after only you can able to use it inside Unity. If I try to drag and drop this image, I can't use it inside Unity. So for that I need to change texture type as sprite 2D. Okay, after that, after changing that texture type, I need to apply the change. After that, yeah, it's now get changed. I can drag and drop. Okay, and drag and drop that. Okay, then then okay, it's time to slice, right? Okay, move to the same thing and click on sprite editor. Okay, you guys see that green dots here and here, four corners. So what I'm going to do is I'm just want to the things like no, this area, the center area need to stretch. Even I'm stretching the image vertically or in horizontally, whatever it is, the center image should stretch. And then if I stretch vertically, then if I stretch vertically, then these and these two bars need to stretch. Only these two bars, not the corners. Okay. Then if I stretch horizontally, then these bottom and top lines borders are going to stretch, not the corners also. So I need to uh, change the line from here to here. Okay, and this line from here to here, and this line from here to here, this line from here to here. So that every value was 50, so that we make sure every spaces is become equal. Okay, after putting these values, you can see there is a 9 ports in this image. This one part, I, you can see. I think you are not able to see. Okay, this now this a green line splits a separate square. Okay, this become one pot, this become one pot, and this become one pot. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, lastly this one. So the image is splitted into 9 pots now. Okay, after this apply the changes, then exit from this. Okay, so I done slicing, so I'm trying to stretch the image, but you can see it's like as I told before, the corners are not get stretched, but now it's stretching. So it's not like as I said before. So how we going to stretch is after putting the, sorry, I forgot to mention this. You need to change the mesh type from tight to full tight. This is a necessary thing. If you forgot this, there is some issues during the stretching. It's like the stretching not properly works. Okay, need to do that. Okay, then okay, okay, then I'm trying to stretch. Now itself it's not stretching properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the draw mode in the sprite render. Okay, by changing it to sliced, you can see while the corners are didn't get stretched, only the center part of the image, and then the needed I mean, if I move stretching vertically, these two lines are get stretching. If I moving horizontally, these two lines are only stretching with this center part. Okay, so this is how the slicing works. You can see the borders are like how it is. Okay, then it is. So we use a slice property, but here also third one like it's named tile. So let's see how it works. Okay, basically how tile works is it's not stretching, it's like repeating the same structure after and after. So you can see in tile there is a mode called tile mode, and tile mode have also two. Okay, adaptive and continuous. We see one by one. First is continuous. In continuous, if I try to stretch, you can see the images are repeatedly occurs. Okay, it repeatedly occurs during and we are using continuous. Okay, even if I started stretching from here also, it the another repetitions occurs. So if we use adaptive, then we put a ratio about when the stretch occurs. If I put 0.5, then while I'm stretching, it's not appears, the repetitions not appears immediately. When I stretch the image up to its 50 percentage extra, then only the repetitions occurs. This is the beauty of adaptive. So I I give a demo of it, how it works. Like I put resize the image. Now you can understand it properly. So I put 0.1 as a stretch value. Then now see when the stretch repetitions occurs. Like there's a two repetitions occurs within itself. Two repetitions occurs within this. Okay, Okay. 3. Okay. From 1.1%, it occurs within this. So what if I put 1? If I put 1 means if I start stretching here only a double, then try what. As you guys see, when I get the repetition, there is a difference between when we get repetition, right? Previously we got that repetition within a short time of stretch. So that's the difference of using dial mode, continuous and adaptive. Okay, so if we are using stretches, but what's happening if our sprite have colliders? Because colliders need to stretch accordingly about what's the size of our sprite, right? So in Unity, only the Vox collider 2D and the Polygon collider 2D are have the tilling mode. It's a tilling mode or tiling mode. So these two colliders only able to stretch according to the resizing of the sprites. So other colliders are not have that functionality. So yeah, we look how it works. So now I check box collider. By clicking this, you can see how the collider occurs in this image. Okay, then if I this is a auto tilling mode. What if I didn't click this? Means while I'm stretching, you can see the collider is in the center of the image. But what if I click this auto filling? Means after you check this box, you can't be able to change these kind of stuffs inside colliders. Okay, so now I'm trying to stretch the collider automatically gets stretched about the size of the image. Okay, this is how colliders get stretched based on the image size while stretching. Okay, so similar to polygon collider, we check, then as you can see the collider is matched with the size of the image. Okay, what if I use a circle collider? If I use a circle collider, as you can see, there is no option like tilling. Okay, where resize the image, it still occurs in center of the image. So that's it, guys. That's it about 9 slicing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video about 9 slicing. So okay, guys, I see you in the next video. Bye.